Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers at 24/7. My name is Amanjot, and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the principles and practices of banking. So, as we all know, that PPB principles and practices of banking, a little bit changes has been done in the PPB subject, and now we have four modules. There used to be five modules in the PPB subject, but now they are only four modules. And the fourth module is your ethics that we have discussed. We have already covered the questions on the ethics. So today we are starting the module A, in which we are going to discuss the CIBIL. Okay, so let's start the session. Before starting the session, first of all, a very good morning to all of you. And those people who have already joined the session, do let me know. Is audio and video both are okay? Are we good to go? So let me know audio video both are okay. Are we good to go? So meanwhile, I will tell you that if you have not downloaded the 24/7 application yet, then do download the application because this is the source where you will get all the details about upcoming batches, all your quizzes regarding your exams, and everything which is required to qualify the exam. Okay. Apart from that, if you have not subscribed the channel at 20 officers at 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification has been given to you. Okay. So this is the platform where you will get all the details. Okay, this is the platform where you get all the details about your upcoming exams, the update from the IIBF. Apart from that, I can say you will get here the details about the subject, the marathons, the quizzes, the conceptual classes, everything will be available on the offices at 24/7. So if you have not subscribed the channel yet, then do subscribe the channel. Okay. Now let's just start, and today is all about the CIBIL. What is CIBIL? How CIBIL is working? Why it is useful? What kind of credit has been given to you? With the help of CIBIL, everything will be covered under the this particular session. Okay. So, so first of all, if I talk about the CIBIL, it stands for Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. The full form of CIBIL is Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Now, this Credit Information Bureau of India Limited is a credit rating agency. It is a credit rating agency which provide rating to the individual as well as to the commercials. And all the credit rating agencies of the countries is regulated by SEBI. All the credit rating agencies in our country are regulated by SEBI. That's the Securities and Exchange Board of India, a regulatory body of the investment market. So SEBI regulates all the crediting agency. CIBIL, CRISIL is also there. CRISIL is also a crediting agency. Okay. Apart from that, CARE is a crediting agency. ICRA is a crediting agency. Apart from that, ISMERA is a crediting agency. Right. Onikra is there. Onikra is also a credit rating agency, etc. So all these are the credit rating agencies which are regulated by SEBI, and these credit rating agencies are working to provide ratings on the basis of the credit worthiness, on the basis of the history, etc. And all these will be regulated by the SEBI. So today we are only going to talk about the CIBIL, that is what is Credit Information Bureau of India Limited. Okay. So let's start the session. Before starting the session with the CIBIL, if you want to enroll in the JIB CIB Mahapack, then double validity is going on with the 81% off. And this will be there till 12 p.m. only. After that, it will be end. And also, the JIB target batch has been started from today only, as it is 16th of December. So, the JIB target batch, English medium and bilingual, both started from today onwards. So if you are looking for a dedicated platform where you will find the detailed classes or the conceptual classes, the practice questions, then this batch is for you, which is started from today only. Okay, and to enroll, the code will be Y496. And all the details about the batches and everything, I will let you know in the end of the session. First, let's start with the CIBIL. Okay. Now, so first of all, principles and practices of banking is there. CIBIL is a part of the module A of our subject. So first of all, you can see here, Credit Information Bureau of India Limited is the full form of CIBIL. and it is a credit bureau or credit information company which is engaged in maintaining the records of all the credit related activities of companies as well as individuals that include the credit cards and loans. So first CIBIL, if I talk about the CIBIL, it used to give the rating to the individuals. It used to give the rating to the individual customer on the basis of their credit card and loan repayments. Okay. So CIBIL is a crediting agency which used to give the rating to the individuals on the basis of their credit card and the loan repayments. But now it also started providing rating to the companies. So CIBIL also provide rating to the companies as well as to the individuals. Okay. Now if I talk about the CIBIL, so it used to have a biggest customer base, and it has, because the biggest customer base any crediting agency has, that is a CIBIL. So CIBIL is a kind of company which is actually giving the rating to the individual customer. That's why it has a biggest customer base. It has a biggest customer base. So if I talk about the biggest credit rating company in the country, that is CRISIL. Okay, CRISIL is the biggest credit rating company, but the customer base biggest is having a CIBIL. Okay, because it provide rating to the individual customers also. Right now, next, the registered members, banks, and several other financial institutions periodically submit their information to CIBIL. So, based on the information and records provided by these institutions, CIBIL issues credit information report and credit score to the applicants and the financial institution. So, what we are saying, that the registered banks and the financial institutions, they periodically submit the information to the CIBIL, okay, about their customers and the companies, and on the basis of the information and record provided by the banks and financial institutions, CIBIL issues the credit information report and the credit risk score to the applicants and the financial. Okay, so like for example, I want to know my credit score. So I will go to the CIBIL. I have to pay a fees to the CIBIL. After taking that fees, CIBIL will provide me the credit score. Okay. Similarly, if I went to the bank and I'm asking for a loan from the bank, now the first thing bank will do is bank will go to the CIBIL and ask for a credit rating. If bank feels that the credit rating of this person is good, then bank will provide me loan. Otherwise, bank will reject my loan application. Okay. So if a financial institution or if a customer wants to know their credit score, then they can go to the CIBIL. So CIBIL is a credit information database and does partake in any kind of leading decisions. So it provides data to the banks and other lenders to quickly and efficiently filter the loan application which they receive in the course of their business. Okay. So what is CIBIL? CIBIL is a credit information database. It maintains the database that used to take the decision by the banks and financial institutions, because it provides data to the banks and other financial institutions who are providing loan to decide whether to give loan to the customer or not on the basis of the credit history of the customer. Okay, this is the main function of CIBIL. Next, if I talk about CIBIL, CIBIL offers three products. It provides credit score, a report for individuals, and credit report for company. So it is providing you credit score, credit report for individuals, and the credit report for company. Clear? So this is the CIBIL. These three products are offered by the CIBIL. If I talk about credit report now, what is credit score is? So credit score refers to a three-digit numerical value that represent the credit worthiness of an individual. So CIBIL provide three-digit score, and these three digits ranging between 300 to 900, with the 900 being the highest and 300 being the least. So if any person have a 900 rating, it means his credit worthiness is very well. Okay. So this score is computed with the help of credit history of an individual. So this score, the credit score will be given to the customers on the basis of their credit history. that was provided by the banks and financial institutions. Now, banks and most financial institutions prefer extending credit to an individual whose score is 75 and more, 750 and more. So those individuals who got the credit score of 750 plus or the 750, they get loan from the bank. Okay, individual with the credit score are less likely to default on their loan payments. So the CIBIL score, or we can say CIBIL credit scores, shows us that there is a very less chances that the customer will do a fraud or will do a default in case his credit history is 750 or more. Okay, so that's why banks like to provide loan more to the customers who have 750 and more ratings, or we can say credits. Clear? So this is a credit score. If I talk about the factors which influence a credit score is, the first factor is your repayment history. Okay, on the basis of your card repayment or the basis of your loan repayment, your CIBIL score will be created. Then credit utilization ratio, it will check your credit utilization ratio also. Now, if I talk about the these factors, so first we have discussed that this factor is having a repayment history. So CIBIL score would tell the loan providers if you are capable of dealing with the debt burden or not, whether you can repay the loan or not. So these things will be checked by the CIBIL, and that's the repayment history will be told to the bank and financial institution. Then the credit utilization ratio will be given. It is the another key factor that could impact your CIBIL score. So credit utilization refers to the total amount of credit that you use against the total amount of credit that you have authorized. Okay, so it means credit utilization ratio tells you or tells about that how much amount of credit you have used out of that has been authorized to you. Okay, that is the credit utilization ratio. Now, access personal loan or credit cards. So, credit card and personal loans both are unsecured loans. Okay, both are unsecured. So, too many credit cards and high amount of personal loan with no secured loan like auto loan, home loan, and could have a negative impact on your CIBIL score. Like you have taken personal loan, you have taken credit card, so many credit card. Because these two are unsecured loan, so it can give an impact that you are only taking an unsecured loan. So it will harm your credit score, right? And if you have taken the auto loan or the home loan, let's say a kind of loan which is secured, you also have taken secured loan with the credit cards and personal loan. Now it will be positive sign for your credit score. Otherwise it will be what? Negative score for you. Paid batches is starting from today onwards. From today onwards, paid classes are starting for the bilingual as well as for your English medium. Shubham, I will let you know in the end of the session. Just give me 5 minutes, I will let you know how to join. Okay? And yes, paid classes are starting from today onwards for both the batches, English medium and bilingual. Yes, can you tell me which subject class has not started? Okay. So next is access personal loan and credit card that we have discussed. If you have taken this, it will impact. Now new accounts. New accounts are representing your, if I talk about new accounts, so new accounts is also increase in the number of credit cards and loans sanctioned to you, imply a rise in your debt burden. So in case numerous credit card and loans are sanctioned over a short period of time, your credit score will be effective. Okay, like you are keep taking credit cards. Okay, you are keep taking personal loans and kind of these things. So it will impact your CIBIL score because you are having so many accounts, because you are having so many credit cards. So when you are opening new accounts, Hana, it impacts that the burden on you is increasing, and that is going to affect your CIBIL score. So these are the four factors on the basis of what the CIBIL score has been created. On the basis of this CIBIL score has been created. These are of three digits, that will be from 300 to 900. Okay. Bilingual JIB class not started yet. Okay, I will check. Okay. So I inform the management, they will check if there is a issue, they will let you know. Okay. So this is what we have discussed about the CIBIL. So CIBIL is a crediting agency which is regulated by SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, and CIBIL provide rating to the individual as well as to the companies, right? So this is the information about the CIBIL which we need to revise or which we need to know. Now, the new target batch bilingual in English medium you can see here is starting from today. This is the English medium batch and this is a bilingual batch. These are the mentors who are going to guide you in the English medium and bilingual batch. So right now the 81% off is going on. With the code Y496 you will get this particular discount. Okay. And if you want to go with the individual batches, like you want only Indian economy, Indian financial system, or the PPB, or let's say for example retail banking, retail wealth management, both bilingual English medium, both are available here. Okay, both are available here. So if you want to enroll in this, you can go and enroll from the website. Apart from that, the JIB CIB Mahapack is also available with the double validity. So you can say double validity and 81% off is going on. If you use the code Y496, you will get the JIB CIB Mahapack. Now, if I talk about the uh, batches, how to enroll, I will show you from where you can enroll or from where you can join the classes. So first of all, you have to go to the Adda 24/7 application or website. If you go to the application, you will get 1% additional discount. So this is the website. Here you have to click on the JIB CIB and go to the JIB 2023. When you click here, you will find all the batches which are going on, which are going to start. So these are the total JIB batches which are starting from today onwards maximum. If you want to go with the combined batch of English medium, this is the combined batch of English medium. Click here and you will find the details about the batches. Everything will be available here. And you have to start buy now here. Click on the buy now and enter a code, that is Y496, and click on the apply, right? You will find 80% discount on the website. If you purchase the same from the application, you will get 1% additional discount. So 81% off is going on this particular product. Clear? And apart from that, if you want to go with the Mahapack is also available. Okay, Mahapack is also available here. So how to enroll in the Mahapack? You have to go with the JIB CIB Mahapack. Click here on the JIB CIB Mahapack. Click on the double validity Mahapack. You will find the details here. It will include everything. It will include the CIB elective, also the current syllabi and the new syllabi. I'm sorry. Both will be covered. How to enroll? To enroll, you have to go to the buy now. Again, click on the buy now. When you click on the buy now, click here and enter a code Y496. Click on the apply and you will find 80% discount again. 1% additional will be available from the Adda 24/7 application. So by paying only 10,500, you will be getting 2 years validity of the JIB and CIB. And this is the single investment you have to do. If you have enrolled in the JIB CIB Mahapack, in the next 2 years, you are definitely qualifying the JIB as well as the CIB. So you don't have to go for the another product. Okay. And everything which is required, like the conceptual classes, revision classes, MCQ classes, case study classes, everything will be available here. Ebooks, test series will be available here. So this is the source. And when you want to join the batch, when you have enrolled in the batch and you want to join the batch, same process you have to use. Go to the application, click on the JIB CIB, and here, if you enroll in the JIB 23 batch, click here. And when you click here, let's say you have enrolled in the bilingual batch of Indian economy, Indian financial system, where when you have enrolled here, what you will find you have to click not he clear have to click on the buy now. Here in under the view offer, it will be show you to check your content. Okay, to check your content, to click on the content, you will find the batch or classes which are going on. So to enroll, the process is that you have to click on the buy now, and to check the classes, to join the classes, you will find here view course on the place of the buy now. You have to do the view course and you will find the classes. The same process you have to use to enroll, and the same process you have to use to the join the live classes. Okay, and if any of your paid class has not started, I have informed the management. They will be checking it, what's the issue, and they will get back to you. Okay, so this is how you can enroll, and this is the offer which is going on right now, the 81% off with the double validity on the Mahapack, and the 81% off on the batches. Okay, and the code for you will be Y496. Thank you so much, Arun, for the sharing. I hope what I am explaining is understandable to you, to everyone. There's a certain thought issue with me, but I hope whatever I have explained is clear to you. Okay, so this is the batch you can join, and do make sure you join us as fast as possible, because the batches are starting from today onwards. And it is very well if you start with the live classes. Always make sure, if possible, then do join the live class, because that is definitely going to give you the more information, more attractive you will feel toward the classes. Apart from that, you will feel very energetic when you join the live class, and understanding of the concepts very much. Okay, that's why the live classes are very important. And to enroll in the any code, you can use the code Y496. Right now 81% off is going on, that will be not available after 12 p.m. So if you want to enroll before the 12 p.m. Okay, so let's end the session here. Okay, let's end the session here. And if you are new to the channel of our offices are 24/7, first time you are visiting the channel, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Apart from that, if you have liked the session, do not forget to press the like button and share the session with your friends and colleagues who are preparing for the same exam. Still, if you have any doubt, if you are facing any problem, you can ask in the comment section. I will check your comments and answer there. Okay, so thank you for joining the session, and take care all. Have a very good day.